Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Telegram downloaded media files not showing in Android. So many pupils are facing this issue after the recent update. After the Android 12 or 13 beta update and the Telegram updates, many users say the media folder have been hidden and they are not finding the download files on Telegram. Now if you have this problem with your Telegram, I will show you how to fix this. So first of all, open your settings, scroll down and tap on this apps, tap this manage apps. First of all, you just have to search for Telegram, tap on Telegram, and then you just have to make sure this auto start toggle is on. Then tap on this permissions and you have to make sure that all the permissions are allowed. Now go back and scroll down, tap on this battery saver, choose no restriction, go back again, tap on this storage, tap on clear data, tap on manage space, and then tap on this clear cache. Confirm. Now go back from here and now open your Telegram application, open up a conversation and try to download something, and now after you've downloaded something, it will be shown into your phone gallery. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.